Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Welcome all the viewers and exam aspirants. This video is about all the last moment hacks and tips and tricks to pass your FCPS talks in the first attempt. This is for the exam aspirants as well as for the medical residents doing training in the gynae ward. You should know about the research and other topics related to it because in the exam, 1 to 2 stations are must which are related to research and its specified topics. So let's begin. In the exam, any type of studies to be conducted can be asked. For instance, the scenario-based questions will be present and you will be asked which type of study now you need to do in that particular scenario. It can be either a case control, a cohort study, cross-sectional, randomized control trial, quasi-experimental study, and the steps of the research and the synopsis can be asked. Another point and topic can be the clinical trials on different drugs. You should have a quick overview of different biases in the research as well. So the two plots in the research topics includes the forest plot as well as the funnel plot. You need to know about the statistical text and its their values. For instance, different parametric as well as a non-parametric tests, the p-value and its significance, the types of error which includes alpha and beta error, and the confidence interval and its significance. Besides that, you need to know about different levels of evidence of the research of any data and the grades of recommendations. These are given on the end of the RCOG guidelines that you can easily take from them. How to develop a guideline? The flow chart is present in the RCG GTG guideline. Different ethical principles, advanced directives, and the consent advices, very important. Types of disease prevention, which are primary, secondary, tertiary, and quaternary. The fishbone method and the Swiss cheese model. Along with that, the medical error analysis, which includes the root cause analysis. So you need to go through all of these topics. Another session can be either the appraisal, it can be either the refer appraisal, which are upcoming the new exam stations, the critical appraisal of the research article, or the appraisal of the operation notes or the discharge slips. So comes the protocol writing and the audit cycle. Their videos have already been shared on our channel. You need to know about the 7 pillars of the clinical governance. It's important in case of any incident, any accident, or any near miss or miss event. So you need to know about the patient-centered care, clinical effectiveness, patient safety, governance and leadership, information management, training and education, and performance and monitoring, which includes the protocols and the audit cycle. Along with that, you should know do not go through the details of each of the every health quality improvement tools, but you need to know the name of them. So these are the clinical audit, which has already been discussed, statistical process control, performance benchmarking, process mapping, root cause analysis, model for improvement, PDSA cycle, which includes plan, do, study, act, learn, lean, and Six Sigma, technological innovations, decision trees, and the communication tools. Then related to the country-specific stats and data, which includes the Pakistan Standards and Quality Control Authority, Pakistan Statistics from the Pakistan Statistics Bureau, Maternal Health Stats by World Health Organization, Maternal and Child Health Integrated Program by the USAID in the Pakistan, Sustainable Development Goals (SDGs) of Pakistan, Maternal and Perinatal Death Surveillance and Response (MPDSR), which is the latest topic of the exam, and the ICD International Statistical Classification of Diseases and Related Health Problems by the World Health Organization, related specifically to the gynae and OPS and maternal mortality. These are the very important and the new upcoming topics in the exam. Along with that, you need to know about the consent advices, the awareness of different strategies to ensure the confidentiality, very, very important, and how to deal with that in your station, principles and legal issues surrounding the informed consent. So the viewers, all the topics have been discussed in the details on the Telegram group. The PDF, the documents, the files, and the guidelines are available in the Telegram group. Do join the Telegram group. Do subscribe to the channel for the more updates. Live in yourself. Thank you and good luck.